Hey, welcome back to my channel, Danielle's Creative Art. Today I have an unboxing of Archer and Olive's, one of Archer and Olive's new journal in the winter Warm and Snug collection, and I purchased a B5, and I love the size for memory journaling. It's on the back. It says 160 dot grid pages and 160 GSM, so I love the boxes they do for their seasonal releases. They're so pretty, and I have to keep them all, of course. So silver foil, put that to the side. And here's the journal. It's so pretty. It has mittens on it. Let's take a look inside. Go to the side. Ooh, it's very pretty. It has some like shimmer to it. I think it's a satin finish notebook. It's like, it's a cloth notebook, but it's like a satin finish. It's very smooth and it has a silver stamped foiled image on there. Very pretty. It's got like a yarn ball and knitting needles and gloves. Let's look at the inside of the notebook. So here's the page to put your name, the information, and then we have your pages, 160 GSM, doctored paper, and let's see, where's the signature bookmark? Right here, I love the color, it matches it beautifully. There's the Archer and Olive logo. And I love this size, like I said, for when I do my journaling and I want to add photos, and it's the perfect size. My A5 is usually the size I use for art journaling, and that way if I want to add photos, it leaves plenty of room. So here's, and also included is a little pocket, scrap sheet of paper, a pocket to put any stickers or anything while you're journaling. And so here's the back with that same shimmery on the front, same I'm getting tongue-tied, the same shimmer that has on the front, really pretty. And the elastic band to close it. And also with this journal, I also purchased an A5 journal cover, and I try to keep as many of my notebooks as I can protected, so I need to order more of these. And also I'm affiliated with Archer and Olive, so whenever my link and code is used on a small commission, my code is DanielleFL10. You can receive 10% off your purchase. And they're also having a Black Friday sale coming up on Friday, the 25th of November, so definitely check that out. And I'll put the link in the description so you can shop. And I'll probably do another video soon of maybe an update of my art journal, and I'm going to try to finish that up in November, and I may start a new one in December because it won't be enough until the new year starts. So check out that video when it comes out, and thank you for watching. Bye.